गोजों दा बुजिलायनाय nuclear membrane ni structure tai nuclear pore ni structure tai wo details okay so ang diagram mo draw khayna so jang tam draw khayke ang just kaisa section chini je pura nucleus ni kaisa section no draw khayke a kaisa section no nuknai omong ka nuclear membrane tai kasaro gap omong ka chini nuclear pore okay so sini o je nuclear membrane mo ka tamukha it is the outer nuclear membrane omong ka tamukha it is the inner nuclear membrane but sini inner nuclear membrane bo bini sudo kaisa layer chimi actually bini tegisa layer to piro okay तो ओ जे बिसिंगनि जे लेयर न जे इनर न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन कोरनि जे बिसिंगनि जे लेयर न सं फाइब्रिलर लेमिना नि न त्यसनो जे फाइब्रिलर लेमिना को ताम दिसलाम जे इट इज मेड अप of course proteins but a protein rock special protein को न सं इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच प्रोटीन नि न so electron rich protein मान बुङो जको electrons bangok ma khobor protein electrons bangok ma khobor त्यसिनि o je fibrillary lamina ni function tamo bini function okay support to inner nuclear membrane bo o je inner nuclear membrane no bo support khai okay tabuk sini je outer membrane no tamo sabo of course already I have already told you these are ribosomes okay but this is all about sini nuclear membrane ta sini nuclear pore ni kok sana thang na kai sini nuclear pore actually simple gap ya okay it is not a simple gap oja kaisa special structure from kaisa ring structure or ring structure no some annulus bani no it is called as annulus okay o je ring structure ni actually bisingo tongo bulam bulam tino materials nucleus ni phatar thomone phatani manai nucleus ni bisingo habuno to o je gap no o je hakor no ang hanai tam hanai I will call it lumen okay I will call it lumen त्यसिनि जे o je entire je annulus bo actually tam bislamja it is again made up of 8 tubes or 8 tubes so it extends these are vertical tubes column tube I hope you understood so I ke koma 8 tube ni loi sino pura je annulus no slam thik ase to o je annulus be lumen bono mili winners tamni han we call it nuclear pore to yang tino o lumen tino mane thango phaibo thik ase tabo as I have told you nuclear pore ni size I have already told you it is around 800 angstrom but asol nuclear pore to lumen se to lumen ni size ngate it is 500 angstrom okay so this is all about sini the nuclear membrane and nuclear pore ni okay so generally nuclear pore is not simply a pore it is made up of annulus and its lumen and this annulus is actually again made up of 8 vertical tubes pura milwi surround khaine or pura nuclear pore no slamo त्यसिनि जे pura entire of the structure ni je entire size is 800 angstrom but lumen ni size it is only 500 angstrom okay thank you